You're now tuned in to the filthy wall where the truth bleeds, the silence breaks, and no name is too big to fall. Let's get into it. A verdict has finally dropped in the explosive federal sex trafficking case involving music mogul Sean Diddy Combs. After 3 days of deliberation, the jury has spoken, acquitting Diddy on 2 sex trafficking charges tied to both Jane Doe and Cassie Ventura, but convicting him on 2 separate counts involving the transportation of individuals for prostitution. One of the most serious allegations, racketeering conspiracy, ended with a not guilty verdict. The jury had informed the judge just 1 day earlier that they were deadlocked. Deliberations began late Monday, and by Tuesday, the jury had reached verdicts on counts 2 through 5, the trafficking and transportation charges. But the first charge, racketeering conspiracy, remained a sticking point. The jury foreman handed a note to the judge, stating some members were absolutely unmovable. It wasn't their first sign of friction. Judge Arun Subramanian had already instructed them on Monday to continue discussions after initial signs of gridlock, even reviewing suggestions from both prosecution and defense on how to proceed. By Wednesday, they came back with a final answer, not guilty on the racketeering charge. That decision wraps up 7 weeks of a high-stakes trial in federal court. Witnesses included former romantic partners like Cassie Ventura and Jane Doe, musician Kid Cudi, ex-Bad Boy singer Don Richard, former assistants, and male escorts. Their testimony painted a disturbing picture: allegations of forced labor, kidnapping, arson, assault, sex trafficking, and drug activity. Federal prosecutors accused Diddy of orchestrating a criminal enterprise behind the scenes of his music empire, using his assistants, security, and staff to facilitate it all. The defense pushed a different narrative. Diddy may have been a troubled man with abusive tendencies and drug use, but everything was consensual. They claimed this was a targeted campaign against a rich, powerful black celebrity. No matter which side you believe, one thing is clear: this marks a sharp fall from grace for a man once sitting at the top of the entertainment food chain. Diddy spent decades building his empire, Bad Boy Records, all now tainted by this legal firestorm. The real spiral began in November 2023 when hotel security footage surfaced, showing Diddy violently attacking Cassie at an LA Intercontinental hotel in 2016. Cassie had already gone public with a chilling lawsuit describing years of physical and sexual abuse. Diddy quickly reached a settlement, but public opinion had shifted. The question lingered: why didn't he settle earlier? That leaked video likely set off the federal probe that followed. Soon the feds raided his homes in Beverly Hills and Miami. Then came the arrest, New York, September 2024. Since then, Diddy has been held at Brooklyn's Metropolitan Detention Center, repeatedly denied bail, awaiting this very trial. And let's not forget, this isn't Diddy's first time facing serious charges. Back in 1999, he went to trial on gun possession and bribery charges, following a club shooting with Jennifer Lopez and rapper Shine. That same year, he settled out of court with music exec Steve Stoute after allegedly assaulting him in his office. So, here we are. What do you think about the verdict? Did Diddy get a fair trial? Was justice served or bought? This is the Filthy Wall, where the stories don't end with the verdict, they start with the truth. Hit the comments, drop your thoughts, and stay filthy.